What's happening, YouTube? PK, Porsche, PK Networks. Yeah, so I'm trading right now, man. Um, you guys could check out my demo account, my real account. Like I was saying, I've been trading for a while. I don't leave too much bread in my real account because if something happens, that bread is gone. So I kind of make, transfers and withdrawals. Um, but I'll just show you guys real quick, my little account. So, let me get that, y'all get that. But yeah, y'all can see, and then go. That's a real account. You can see where it says real, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here, and then we're gonna go to my demo, go down here. Now look at that demo account. I know y'all see that. Let's go see my trade history right here. So today I've made these trades. So we started down here, and then you can see I hit for 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Then we're gonna go up 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Let me show you guys that demo. Then we go back here to my real account. As you can see, there is money in my account. It says real right there. But yeah, y'all can see I got accounts going. I got some funds in there. Now y'all see my demo going crazy, so y'all better understand, man. PK, Porsche Kev, man, I'm coming at you, man. Hot, man. Watch the camera. Hey, cameraman, I told you. I said watch the camera, bro. Hey, don't get your application pulled. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'll pull your motherfucking application. Hey, yeah, be hiring somewhere else. You feel me? But nah, nah. I'm just really gonna keep going on this, and then I'm just gonna keep, trading and working on my YouTube. I just want to thank YouTube for, giving me the platform to, do my thing and to have my voice, to speak. And this is not, financial and advice and all the stuff. This is for entertainment purposes only. But yeah, PK Porsche Cat, man, y'all remember to like and subscribe, man. So I'm just doing my trading right now. I told you I work with Pocket Options and MT4, MetaTrader 4, buying, selling, trade stocks and long-term investments. So yeah, I got some more on the way. Y'all just, stay tuned. So yeah.